got the beast up on the jack again. We've got another quick tutorial. What we're doing today is the front sway bar mounts. They're under there. We got quoted nearly 500 bucks from Q Ford to fix these. For what I've learnt, it should take 30 minutes and all you need is a 10mm socket. Got the parts here we got off eBay. About 25 bucks for the pair delivered to your front door. So all it should cost you is half an hour, one stubby, 25 bucks. Save yourself a couple of hundred. Just in case it takes a little bit longer, grab a beer, possibly two. Chuck the radio on 1077, no ads, no beaver. Make sure your jack are right up. Don't forget your wheel chock, you don't want to get your head chopped off the day after Valentine's Day. I'll get under here. What we're looking for is just this, two 10mm. That's it, so we need a 10mm socket. Undo these, pop him off, chuck the new one in, tighten them back up. Same on the other side. One. Two. Apparently she's buggered, who knows, but they're all meant to go about 100,000 k's on the Territories and the Falcons. New one. What I'm going to do is slip him, slip the new one back in. Do your bracket back up. And do the same on the other side. And make sure you do these both up FT tight. And that should be it. Same on the other side. So they're both done. Took 18 minutes. Only just finished one stubby. That's them. Don't look too bad, but apparently go a bit stiff after 10 years or something. Don't forget to take it for a test drive. If all good, you just saved yourself 400 bucks, 450 bucks. Don't suck at life. Don't get ripped off by Q Ford or any mechanic. Do a bit yourself. You.